Happy Aloha Friday! It is March 28th, 2025, and today's massive action, especially this morning, is house cleaning. I mean, really seriously gotten bitten by the spring bug. And what's so cool, see that thing back there? That is a new shop vac that I'm actually super excited to use today. So that's my main event for getting my steps on, and wishing you a most beautiful, gorgeous day in wherever you live and whenever you're watching this. Remember to go out there, be your radiant selves, and keep moving your body. And I'm going to leave you with some beautiful visuals before I share with you my step count. All right, have a great day, and again, be your radiant selves. Aloha and a hui hou for now. Yay!
Spring is here, flowers grow, warm sunshine.